Gagawaran ng Posthumous Medal of Valor ang dalawa sa nasawing SAF-44. Ito po ang pinakamataas na pagkilala ng Philippine National Police o PNP. Sila ay sina Senior Inspector Gednat Tabdi at PO2 Romeo Sempron. Si Tabdi ang nanguna sa Team 1 ng 84th Special Action Company, ang nagsilbing navigator para makalusot sa mga kalaban. Kahit daw sugatan na, si Tabdi pa rin ang nanguna sa kanyang tropa para maisagawa ang operasyon.
I came by today to see you. Oh, I had to let you know. If I knew the last time that I held you was the last time I'd have held you and never let go. Oh, it's kept me awake nights wondering. I lie in the dark just asking why. I've always been told you won't be called home until it's your time.
On behalf of my family and relatives, I deeply and sincerely appreciate your help, support, love, and sympathy. First, I thank the entire PNP organization for their overflowing and steadfast support. The PNP Procor for the honors and for providing escort. The batch and classmates of Jednat and the PNPA and his brothers, especially the SAF troopers, for showing their love in all-out support for Jednat. Thank you to our beloved officials, Congressman Ronald Cosalan, Governor Nestor Fungwan, who in one way or other had helped us during this time of grief. Thank you to the media, the radio station, DZWT, and TV channels, ABS-CBN and GMA7, including the Midland Courier, for their covering the incident so that others may know. Incidentally, we cannot avoid hearing issues regarding the incident that caused the demise of my son, but my family chose not to give comments at this time. We only strongly hope that the leaders of our nation in the PNP leadership will exert their best efforts to give justice to the ultimate sacrifice of my son and his 44 other fallen brothers in the SAF, and not let this loss go in vain. In a way, thank you to you, our relatives and friends, for condoling with us and for extending all the help and support you could give. Thank you to all of you who are present here for your love and for coming here and for sacrificing your time. I apologize if I may have missed to mention anyone in this expression of gratitude. But I pray that God will bless all of you for blessing us. Rest assured that we felt your love for us. Lastly, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the family of Leah for having with us, for coming here for our son for one night and one day. Again, God bless, good trip to our son Jednat, and safe to trip to all of us. Jednat, my son, we love you and we thank you for all your sacrifices, help and support to me and your mama and your brothers. Thank you for your 27 years with us. Thank you for having been your dad. Thank you for being my son. It is very difficult and too painful to let you go, but we know that you now belong to our Father's house. Thank you to all of you.
Heaven was needing a hero, somebody just like you. Stand up for what you try to make it make sense in my mind, the only conclusion I come to is that heaven was needing a hero like you. I remember the last time I saw you. Oh, you held your head up proud. I laughed inside when I saw how you were standing out in the crowd. You're such a part of who I am. Now that part will just be void. No matter how much I need you now, heaven needed you more. 'Cause heaven was needing a hero, somebody just like you, brave enough to stand up for what you believe and follow it through. When I try to make it make sense in my mind, the only conclusion I come to is that heaven was needing a hero like you. Yes, heaven was needing